guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Jaji, and today's video will be a get ready with me / first impressions on the L'Oreal 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. So if you guys would like to see how this foundation worked for me, then keep on watching. Alright, so now to the fun part. Let's start. So my face is already moisturized. I just have to prime. So for primer, I'm going to be using the Milani Prime Light. So yeah, I've been hearing a lot of hype about this foundation. This shit is supposed to be like 24-hour, sweat-proof. As a matter of fact, I'm using my phone to record. I was going to say, let me look it up and see what it actually says it should do. But I know it's supposed to be like sweat-proof, 24-hour wear, like who wants to wear makeup for 24 hours? But anyway, it's supposed to like last this long. So let's see. So I'm gonna pump it out, and I got the color 460. I actually feel like it looks a little light, but we'll see today. So I'm gonna actually just pump some in the back of my hand. I hope this is good. Everybody's been talking about it and loving it, and it was only 11 bucks, so I'll take it. Ooh, it's really watery. Okay, so it's super watery. I'm actually going to blend it with a brush. It's actually the Jeffree Star brush, so yeah. Look at me, fancy, exclusive with my little Jeffree brush. All right.
Sorry guys, I'm just putting this part right here. Being blonde, you get makeup all over your hair, and then your hair starts to look orange, so don't my blonde ladies have that issue? I know it's not just me.
Okay, it's cute, but I definitely need more coverage. So, pump 2. Let's see. Okay. So I think, I mean, it's still not, I'll get close up. It's still not like as full coverage as I would like, but it's cute, I guess. It did cover something up, but cute. I'm just going over it with a sponge. Okay, cool. So now we're gonna do everything that I normally do with my normal makeup, just to see how it works with, you know, my normal shit. All right, let's see. I'm just gonna stare at myself a little bit. I mean, it's nice, but to be honest, it's not like wowing me. You know what, guys? Since we're doing a video, let's add another pump. Let's see how buildable this shit really is. And I'm trying to see how full coverage I can get this. So now, I mean, I already have 3 layers on. It's not as full coverage as I would like still, but because I already put so much, I don't want to just keep adding. And anyway, we're going to add bronzer and all that stuff. Like I said, it's cute. It gave me like a little healthy glow. It's definitely not drying. It's like, you know, luminous, even though I did add this. So yeah, cute. So now concealer. So for concealer, I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution concealer. Now this I love when I want to be glam and like have that light under eye like Kim K. Bitch, I'm here. Hello, I'm awake. I've slept like a whole year to look this fucking good and awake. This is it right here. I'm telling you, this is it. Now we are setting the under eyes and the face. So to set my under eyes, I like to use my RCMA powder. It is $12 for this whole freaking thing, and it is awesome. It just like melts into your skin really nicely, and y'all heard me. Like I said, it's $12 for this big ass bottle. So it's white, so be careful. Strange. All right, let me finish setting my under eyes before they crease, because I'm talking y'all to death and not even setting. Okay. So after we set that, we're just gonna wipe this off because I don't want this to be too wet. with the same palette, I'm actually gonna contour. So what kind of videos would you guys like to see next? Like, would you like for me to start uploading more of like my fashion next, or would you like for me to keep on going with the makeup until my views go up? So let me just go in a little bit more with that. Now I'm gonna go in with bronzer. Blend it all together. Girl, my edges is crazy. I'm gonna have to edge control these things down real quick.
Not looking cute.
So now we're gonna start bronzing. So I'm using the Butter London bronzer here and go light. Other side. No, I think I am going too harsh on this side. Look at me. I'm on fucking YouTube and I'm over here like doubting my techniques and the way that I'm doing it. Guys, I am not a makeup artist at all by any means. I just am an enthusiast. I like makeup. I like to talk about it. I like to inform myself on it, and I like to try out new things for fun, okay? For fun. Don't ever take me serious. I am not a makeup artist. Got that? Cool. So now I'm just grabbing some of that cocoa butter from my Too Faced palette and kind of just making that a little softer as well. Oh, I almost forgot my jawline. Hello, girl. Hello, girl. You know we need that jawline because your face is round as shit. So. Ah, do you see this fucking edges? Okay. Alright, so we did bronzer, we did all of that. Jeffrey said that this brush is great for nose contour. Where? I need something like skinny and little. Like, I love you, love all your brushes, but I didn't get that one. But we'll do it for the camera. Now I'm gonna go in with the Place blush in the color Serafina. It said the it literally said the color right here, and I'm like, what the fuck? Serafina, guys. Serafina. I love blush. It's just like, look how cute it makes you look. Okay. Now I'm gonna wipe this. Now we can spray. It was ready. Okay, so far the foundation looks pretty good. Besides that, like, can you guys see that? Besides that, it's looking pretty. My skin looks like, how do I describe? Alive, shiny, radiant, all of that. I appreciate this. I really appreciate it. Now, the fun part. So I'm going to be using Blossom Glow from Wet n Wild. Super pretty. That's what we'll be using today. And we are going to use our JS4 highlighting brush. Super pretty. For $4, $5, however much, but look at this shit. Hello. Oh, and that was only one little swipe because, you know, I like to be seen from outer space. So, one swipe's not enough. Ooh. So lastly, another spritz. And this is it for the foundation. It held up pretty nice with all the stuff that I normally use. Like, I feel like my skin looks really healthy. See, except for that stupid, see how, like, you can see the indent of where I was wearing my glasses? Except for that, I think this foundation is pretty nice. That patchiness went away. Like, it's not even in my smile lines or my forehead lines. Looking good. Perfect. Alright guys, so that was my little get ready first review. And I'm actually going to wear this all day so that I am able to let you guys know how this wore. I want to see if it creases, how long it lasts, how it works with everything, how it makes my skin look. Is it going to dry me up after a while, or am I going to stay looking this nice and like luminous and alive? And wow, I like. Oh my god, my lips are crusty. Hold on, let me put some lip gloss on. Okay, I'm back. Oh, crusty ass lips. So just add a little bit. Wow, I'm really liking this foundation. At first I was a little, you know, because it took me 3 pumps to get to this coverage, but I mean, it's $11. It's $11. Like, you can't even be mad at it. You can't even be mad at it for $11. Absolutely not. So far, I love it. But like I said, we just put this on, so we don't know how it's gonna wear throughout the day. So I'm gonna go have a little smoke break, get me something to eat, and I will check back in a few hours to let you guys know how this foundation worked, and we'll see. Bye. See you in a few. Hi guys, I am back with my final thoughts on the foundation, and this is what we have so far. Let me give you guys a little close up. Do you guys see that? Do you see how pretty that is? Like, I've been smiling, laughing, talking. Normally by now this would be like very noticeable, and you see it's like nothing, okay? And I still look luminous, but I don't look oily, and this is great. For $11, you guys definitely need to pick this up, the 24-hour fresh wear L'Oreal foundation. So go get that shit. Alright, now if you guys like this video, please subscribe, please leave me thumbs up, comments, all of that. It's my first video. Let me know how I did. So yeah, thanks for watching, and again, don't forget to subscribe.